Hey guys, I had this indicator and a button. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My grandpa made this all week, and look, they spelled the super
J. Yep. We are.
I like the indicator.
Yeah, it says J on it, and then they have the Staley indicator.
Yeah.
This is an old elevator, but very nice, and it lights up. And look on the back what my grandpa did. He made it very nice. And setting up all the electricity.
Yeah.
That was very cool. So Jay wanted to give a big thanks to them and show you his new panel. Ooh, it's heavy. Come on, help me. There we go. Jay wanted to show you his new panel. Jay tested out for him. It's got the little buttons, so if you want to light up, it can light up. And it has the little buttons here. Tend to press them. And the indicator, which lights up. So Jay wanted to give you a big thanks for that.
And that's it.